Number 1.
My second attempt at bridal makeup.
Number 2.
I decided to try on some new eyebrows today.
Number 3.
Before after I got dressed up for my husband.
Number 4.
A 4-year difference. I like to think my makeup has improved a bit.
Number 5.
From a femboy to a baddie.
Number 6.
Affordable holiday glam.
Number 7.
A Korean-style makeup transformation on my friend.
Number 8.
A bit of a different angle in the second pic to show the shadow better.
Number 9.
Getting ready for a date.
Number 10.
Still looking natural.
Number 11.
Before after your critiques.
Number 12.
The left half of my face is makeup free to show the difference.
Number 13.
I did my 85-year-old Nana's makeup yesterday.
Number 14.
I've always been so self-conscious of my hereditary dark circles. So makeup is my best friend.
Number 15.
Bridal trial, before after.
Number 16.
I tried to go for a fresh, summery look.
Number 17.
My average date night look.
Number 18.
Before after, soft glam.
Number 19.
My no makeup look.
Number 20.
Before after getting ready for an Indian wedding.